You don't have no gas?
Nobody. No, that's my Momo.
Oh, well, you can go find some over there. Look, see that bucket over there? That has gas in it. By Scout. Get the gas can, hurry.
Where?
Right by Scout over there, honey. Right there, pick it up.
Where?
The yellow and red on the floor.
Your shower bucket.
That you water the plants with?
No.
Yeah, that has gas in it. Pick it up.
Gas?
Yeah, there's gas.
Got
Well,
tree.
pick it up out of the tree. Ugh.
Got.
Almost. You almost had it. Try one more time. There you go. You did it. Yes.
No, gas
Oh,
here.
well, fill it up.
Gone.
Bring it over here. We'll fill it up.
Gas
Mom's got gas. Come here.
gone.
Let me fill it up. All full. Have a good day, sir.
Baby here.
Got your keys? You ready to go?
No,
Stop the
so
recording.
big.
Stop the recording.
So big.
Okay, let's see. Hold on one second.